In this first lesson of sheet metal certification preparation, we are going to discuss the certifications that Solidworks offers, the importance of certifications, and how to prepare for the Advanced Sheet Metal Certification exam. Let's begin by going to the Solidworks website and viewing their certification page. Solidworks currently offers 12 certifications, and the list continues to grow. The primary certifications are the Associate level, CSWA, followed by the Professional level, CSWP, and the highest level certification, CSWE, the Certified Solidworks Expert. Along with the 3 primary certifications, there are 9 advanced specialty certifications. One of these certifications is the Advanced Sheet Metal Certification. The goal of the exams are to establish an industry standard by which Solidworks professionals are evaluated. Whether this is your first certification or you already have many Solidworks certifications under your belt, it is my belief that certifications are very important in your continued growth in your design and engineering career. As a college educator, I have many companies contact me on a regular basis looking for students proficient in Solidworks. In fact, most employers require certain Solidworks certifications. Not only do the certifications help with gaining employment, certifications show your employer that you have a certain level of competency in this software and that you are proactive in keeping your skills up to date. Many employers will base bonuses and pay raises on certifications. As an educator, I personally enjoy seeing the sense of accomplishment when a student passes a certification exam. I would be remiss if I said the exams were easy. All of these Solidworks exams are challenging and will test your knowledge in the software. These exams are not to be taken lightly, and proper preparation is essential. The Advanced Sheet Metal exam is a comprehensive, non-proctored online exam. It is a 90-minute timed exam consisting of 15 questions with a minimum passing score of 75%. Once the exam is started, it cannot be paused. If you are not successful in passing the exam, you will need to wait 30 days between each attempt. Preparing for the sheet metal exam is essential. Not only should you have formal training like you are receiving with Infinite Skills video lessons, you should also research any areas of the sheet metal environment you may be having difficulty with. In addition, there is a practice sheet metal exam on the Solidworks website. In my opinion, the most important preparation for this exam is to practice, and more practice. The more hands-on experience you have, the easier the sheet metal exam will be. If you are successful in passing the Certified Solidworks Professional Sheet Metal exam, you will receive an electronic certificate, electronic business card logos, along with the option to have your newly acquired certification listed in the online certification directory. Good luck!